Hey friends, please press the subscribe button and also press the notification bell for regular updates. Well, minoxidil is very useful for your hair. If you really want to grow your hair, especially on the crown area, it may be helpful for you. Apply it directly on the scalp and not on the hair. Spread it gently with your fingertips on the affected areas. There are many minoxidil brands available in the market. You can use Mintop, 2-gain, Minocam F, etc. as minoxidil for your scalp. You can buy any good brand minoxidil from a chemist. You can use finasteride and multivitamin tablets with it for the better results. Wash your hair 2 times a week from any good antibacterial shampoo to remove any fungus present on your scalp. For better hair growth and results, you can also use amla and aloe vera juice. Let's check out some good results after using minoxidil. Here they are. Just look closely the before and after results. These are my own results after using minoxidil. Thank you so much for watching my video and please subscribe my channel.